Yeah, this is a continuation of the EP5 on how to chalk and cut out a native. Yeah, this is the back part of the front top. This is how we cut it. We also cut the slanting of the shoulder first before we drag it down and add like we add 3 inch, depending on how you want the shoulder to fall, like the slanting should fall. Yeah, I did my 3, so I place it on it to cut out the neck for the back. I mean the shape of the back neck. Yeah, you place it very well, make it stay accurate, and then you give a notch from that side, then you balance yourself and cut it well. Yeah, just me cutting it out. So yeah, balance the shoulder, cut the armhole. Yeah, from the shoulder down to the armhole. Yeah, take it slowly so you don't make a mistake there, because it has a coffin shape there. Yeah, take it slowly, cut it out, well. Then you have the straight cutting for the body. No need of any shape or adding any measurement to it. Exact measurements you cut out for the front is the same one you give to the back too. So you keep cutting it well. You make your hand more straight. Yeah, cut the down part. Is me cutting the down part. Yeah, done cutting it. You can see it's giving the shape now. I'll take it gradually. I'll show you where I actually sew the top, so you get to see it very well. And this is the back cape for the tourney. Yeah, this is the back. This is what you call the back cape for the tourney, from both the front and the back, to give it a proper balance for the shoulder. Yeah, you cut it gently, give it the back. Use the back, basically use the back of the tape. Of the native to cut out the back cape. Yeah, that's me cutting it. And thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe and hit the notification button for more videos.